Flip it over. You see what it says? It says Miss Chelsea Ray Miller, and look up here is who it's from. And it says Santa Claus.
Who wrote that?
I guess Santa Claus did. Open it. You need help?
Yay! Santa Claus.
Is it a letter? From the desk of Santa Claus. Dear Chelsea Ray, I received your letter you sent me. I think good little girls like you should get a hula hoop, tennis shoes, a jacket, and a microphone. And if a puppy doesn't come this year, maybe one will come when you get a little older. You continue to do what Mommy and Daddy say and be a good girl. Tell Caroline to be good also. My reindeer will travel a long way to Wadley this Christmas Eve. It would be nice if you would leave them some carrots. I like how you eat healthy too. Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus. P.S. It was good seeing you at the motel in Columbia on Saturday. Show me the letter.